Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Now let's tap on Backup here. And as you can see, here we can simply tap on add backup account. So let's do it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And what's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and simply tap on next. Your device will autofill it, as you can see right here. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, and I will stick with the first option. Here, the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info about, for example, the privacy policy. Now let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept, because as you can see in this step we've got much more info. So here we are able to use the 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, you can tap on more details to learn more, of course. Your device is informing you that it will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage it and customize it whenever you want to with probably a few clicks. So let's tap on turn on, and we've been transferred to the section connected to the backup. Of course, we can turn it on or off here with using the switcher. We've got our account. Here we are waiting to backup. Here we've got also the sections which has been backed up, and right here we've got the option which is quite important. As you can see, it is use Wi-Fi only, and it is turned on, and I highly recommend to keep it turned on, because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something or using too much transfer by using your mobile data. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply tap on Backup now, and basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.